Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 16th of August, 2023. We're going to talk about a Cardano Analyst. I guess anybody who throws out a chart on social media, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Twitter, whatever the case may be, many people try to pin them with the title of being an analyst. There is one who posted a chart for Cardano on Twitter from this particular website right here. You guys can see Cardano Analyst predicts 2,900%, 2,900% bull run. And then they're also going to try to give us a time frame as to when they suspect that's going to happen. Now, when you look at the chart for ADA, it doesn't look feasible. I mean, even when I did my price prediction in ADA back here on the 10th of August, I was looking for the market to go higher, and you guys can see it. It didn't even do that. So if the price in ADA is not even bullish right now, what do they think this currency is going to run 2,900% at a later date? Let's talk about it. Here it is right here. Okay. So here is the individual, Ali. Cardano, this is what he tweeted. Between 2018 and 2020, ADA oscillated, meaning traded within a range, between 10 cents and 0.028 for 665 days. Then a whopping 2,985% bull run took off after this long accumulation phase. Today, this tweet came out on August the 14th. Fast forward to now, ADA seems trapped in the 46-cent range to 24-cent range. Already been in that trading range for about 329 days. If history and price is a predictor of what's to come, then ADA on this next bull run could go up to like $8.40. Now, from the article, you guys can see I got a highlight. At the moment, ADA appears to be stuck around 46 cents to 24-cent range, as it has been for 329 days. If history and price action are any indicators, Ali believes ADA might be a breakout around February 2024. Okay, that's the time frame. So let's put that in the books, and let's look at ADA's price to see if it's going to start a new bull run in February of 2024. One of the things I want you all to really get accustomed to is how people utilize two letters, but it's very powerful. And the word is if. Look at how many times this article goes through and utilize that word if. Here it is again. If ADA decides to rally in the manner of its 2020-2021 rally by notching 2,900% gains, it might reach $8.40 at the very least. So while it's been oscillating, trade within a range of 46 cents to 24 cents. They're saying in the next bull run, if it's going to trade within that range for like 600 some days, let's give it that the next high, the top into the market at 8 is going to be around $8.40. Now, I know many of y'all would be ecstatic if that was to happen. See that? I even said the word too, if. Now, we got to bring this back down to earth. All right. 2,900%. Sounds great. Sounds wonderful. But when you look at the chart, not so much right now. Yes, my price prediction did not go correct. And when it doesn't, I need to cut it and say, chop it up to the game, charge it to the game. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. This one did not work out correct. And I kind of knew that was a possibility, seeing how ADA's price is trading below these two lines on my chart. That definitely instills that the market wasn't bullish. I really wasn't that bullish anyway. And then bring that back so you guys can see it, right? I know I have price target around 30 cents, and then possibly even up to around 32. And the market didn't even give me that. So it didn't play out. All right. So let's go ahead and do this here. Since we understand that the trend into the market in ADA's to the downside, that is how we're going to move. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame. Here it is on the 2-day chart. 13 hours and 10 minutes left. I don't like this 2-day price bar. It looks like the market in ADA, if anything, is going to come down to these lows down here. Okay, so we're going to create the bottom into the market in ADA. You guys can see we've created a descending triangle, and anywhere within this range could be support. Okay, especially if we see the market in ADA close on the low of this current 2-day price bar. So we're already nearing an area to which the market buyers came through and held support right here. These 2-day price bars in the beginning of July. So of course you would expect to see a minimal bounce right now into the market in ADA, which we're currently getting. Here it is on the 3-day chart. I don't like how the 3-day chart is reflecting as well neither. But again, we got 13 hours left. If it looks the way that it looks now, then I don't suspect that this mark's going to hold 27, 28 cents. Let's take a look at ADA on the 5. Here's ADA on the weekly. Okay. Here's ADA on the 2 weeks, 3, 5. I don't like the 3 weekly neither. So 4 days, 14 hours. If it looks the way that it looks now, then definitely anticipate the market in ADA to continue to run lower to like 25 cents or so. Now let me go ahead and show you all the 330-minute chart. You guys can see that we have seen some major movement to the downside, which tells us that this is a sentiment change. That the market holding support up here around 28.5 cents, 29 cents, those buyers are no longer there, which is the reason why price currently is continuing to go to the downside. All right, so I'm actually finished. I'm going to go ahead and place some weakness into the market in ADA. I'm not the one to come in and try to buck the trend. If the market wants to go down, then it wants to go down, and once we see anything change in terms of that sentiment, then we'll come through and change our analysis. Okay, so that first target for me would be here around 26, almost 27 cents. 0.2687 will be my first target, 3.5% there. My second target is going to be around 26 cents, 6.68. Then my third target is going to be around 25.25, 9.3% there, right? And 30 cents, maybe a little bit higher. We have to contemplate that the market in ADA may become a little bit more bullish. For one, if we do break this downtrend line, and then two, seeing the price break above 30 cents on strength. All right, so that is it. I am finished. You're up. Go ahead and give me your targets. Give me your price prediction in ADA, and tell me your thoughts about a 2,900% run in the next bull market for ADA. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.